Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of technology, tools, and trends. I'm your host, and today we're tackling something that's crucial for developers and network engineers alike: coturn. If you're into VoIP or any sort of real-time communication, you've likely heard of stun and turn. But what exactly does coturn do, and why should you care? Let's break it down. So, coturn is essentially an open-source implementation of both turn and stun servers. But wait, you might be wondering, what's turn and stun? Well, think of stun, Session Traversal Utilities for NAT, as your friendly guide that helps devices discover their public IP addresses. It's like calling up a friend to ask where they are during a party. And then there's turn, Traversal using Relay NAT, which acts as a middleman when direct calls aren't possible. Imagine if your friend was in a noisy room and needed to relay messages back and forth. That's turn in action. All right, what makes coturn particularly interesting is how simple it is to install. For those of you who like to get your hands dirty with some Linux command line magic, you can easily set it up using a package manager, or you could take the Docker route. Just a few commands and you're ready to roll. Here's a quick hypothetical. Imagine you're setting up a new conferencing solution for a startup. You dive into turning this into a big deal, but you find obstacles with NAT network address translation. That's where coturn swoops in to save the day, ensuring voice and video can traverse those pesky firewalls and routers. Now let's touch on some of the underlying tech here. Coturn supports a range of protocols: UDP, TCP, TLS, you name it. This versatility allows it to support various use cases, from standard VoIP calls to more secure connections with encryption. Speaking of security, isn't it reassuring to know you have multiple authentication mechanisms at your disposal? Whether you prefer classic long-term credentials or something a bit more modern, like OAuth, coturn has you covered. And here comes a fun fact for you. When coturn is up and running as part of an interactive connectivity establishment solution for VoIP, it's been reported to handle thousands of simultaneous calls. Yeah, you heard that right. Thousands. And if that's not impressive, consider the scalability options. You can implement load balancing with tools like DNS-SRV or even network load balancers to ensure smooth sailing no matter how many users you have. Before we wrap up today's chat, let me ask you this. Have you had any experience with turn servers in your projects? Would love to hear about your challenges and how you tackled NAT traversal issues. As we close this episode, let's quickly recap. Coturn is a powerful, high-performance, and easy-to-implement solution for handling stun and turn requirements, making it invaluable for anyone working in real-time communications. Plus, with a variety of supported protocols and robust scalability features, it holds its own for both small projects and enterprise-grade applications. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Talk today. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, questions, or experiences with coturn in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world around you.